of part 1. Fighting Dayan Sukuna boss not until 23 more times until he gets the mummified and I get the Iron Shrine. Now let's go. Bro, why are you running? You're supposed to order farm there.
Blowy might even turn this into a series. We might even turn this into a series.
For real, bro. There might even be a part 3 until we can get Zack the mummified and also until I can get the Iron Era Sakuna domain expansion. Well, basically not the... Yeah, basically. But when you pop the main expansion on Yuji. Bro, that jump is not aura. When you walk normally without jumping, this is not aura. I can jump, bro. That jump is not aura. Okay, let's start fighting him. Domain expansion. Wait, the server's way better.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Holy, he just got me to half HP. Well. Help! I don't know. It's by you, I made him come to you. When you forget, I made him come very close to you. Oh guys, and plus when we're done with part 2, I'm gonna show you my friend's channel, so can you please go subscribe to him. We are both small content creators with a big dream. My phone isn't connected also.
Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I can drop my phone off the Eiffel Tower, and then the floor will be broken, but my phone will be completely fine.
Do you have a Nokia? Right now?
Well, technically, my phone is made by the same company as Nokia, so it's a Nokia, just a little bit of Nokia.
Why did I saw a head in his hand for 2 seconds? Like, I think that's his order, but I did see I saw something in his hand for a few seconds.
The next one.
Hello, Purple. Okay, for the next boss, when we do this again. Actually, what are we gonna play for the next game when we make a YouTube video?
I think something to do with this because my YouTube channel is looking named Ruby Babobi.
Why is my hollow purple staying close to me, huh? Not my hollow purple, my Lakers. What is a Lakers? What the heck is wrong with my stat? Why is my Lakers blue staying right behind RCT, please show. I can see the quiz moving, which means my game isn't lagging. So why can't I RCT? It's like this lag that you guys get on. Finally. We popped domain at the same time. As soon as I heard domain expansion, I just used domain. And now you're floating.
Domain. I don't know how I'm floating. Oh my goodness. Okay, Fuga just blocked my into a
Okay, now my game is back to reality. I killed him with hollow purple.
Oh my goodness, bro. I leveled that 4 times.
Tell me, guys, should I? Oh my. I'm a bit too, I feel like the only one. Baby doll, I can move on and I can move on, baby doll, whatever you do. Oh, Luca. Guess what?
Hello, bro.
Hello.
What?
So you see, no, while I was fighting Iron Ares, I didn't get the accessory. I actually got the mode Iron form.
What do you get?
I got the mode Iron form. Like I'm fully Iron form. I didn't get the accessory of the other arms. I got the mode.
Nice, bro.
Because we're killing 22 more times for the video. Oh, and look, by the way, we're gonna post this on our YouTube channel. So your voice is being recorded. Your voice is being recorded. We're posting this on our YouTube channel.
My voice is being recorded now.
Yes, because we're posting this on our YouTube channel.
I'm gonna say the most devious things, bro.
Oh, bro, I'm gonna get banned from YouTube. I might as well just mute my mic right now.
Big booty.
That isn't that devious, I guess.
Bro, I can't say anything, gang.
Just because you're gonna get me banned and someone's gonna whoop you up.
No, that is my mom's right
Anonymous.
Bro, I love nuts, bro. Nuts are my favorite game.
Yes, bro, it tastes so good. Hey, yo.
Yes, bro. The best thing known to mankind.
I didn't even know that full potential Gojo can hollow nuke.
You didn't know that, gang. I got slimed out by that thing, bro.
I literally weaved it. When I first ever saw that he hit the hollow nuke on me, I weaved it.
How is one weave a hollow nuke?
By simply achieving something that you've never achieved in life. Lock it in.
That's 20 more to go.
Oh, and Luca, no, 21 more to go.
No, that's the first one. 20 more to go.
Okay. Luca, I'm grinding.
Wait, what's happening?
We're fighting Iron Ares Akuna until we can get Zack and Mama fight it so we can get Maguna. So, you wanna join? Because we're probably gonna turn this into a whole series if he doesn't get a Mama fight it.
My dude, I'm trying to get 10 shadows.
Oh, you're still trying to get 10 shadows. Why would you spin off it?
Because I didn't like it.
So you don't like Maguna?
I mean, I've seen Maguna in action. It's low-key overpowered, so I do want it.
Well, if we don't get, I might as well stop recording at 10 minutes or so because we're gonna make this into a compilation, bro. Completion. People always say compilation. Like, is that a word? Completion.
Okay, I got Limitless. Now that's goated.
Limitless is so goated. Bro, they're adding a V2. They're adding a V2 next. No, not next. This week Saturday. They're adding a V2.
I know, bro.
Zach, I was giving you an opportunity to flip an RCT and you didn't decide to RCT. You decided to fight. If those man RCTs. My father said, I heard a swear word. If I get banned on YouTube, bro. I heard a swear word. If I get banned on YouTube.
Okay, honestly, I'm just gonna use Limitless for now, gang.
Wait, Zach, we're gonna wait for my friend to come, right? You're also my friend. Oh, and Luca, by the way, I got Kamutoke Calamity. Okay, wait, Zach, don't start attacking him. We're gonna stay here. Why do you have a machete? What is that? The Dark Surge? Why are you using the Dark Surge right now?
Yes.
No, if I accidentally text a corner with us. I accidentally. Oh, look at Ella, me and my friend. Zach, Ella, my friend. I'm not summoning Maharaga for this because he's just gonna get one tap. Oh, and Luca, by the way, no, Maharaga can't even survive the border.
I know, bro. If he can't survive Sakuna, he can't survive Dabura.
You see how goated Limitless he is. That's why you always spam it. The cooldowns are even like literally OP. Domain expansion. Okay, 18 more times after the skill. Okay,